Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the flashlight on iOS 18. Apple has redesigned how the flashlight works on newer iPhones, and I will walk you through the changes. Swipe down to the Open Control Center, tap on the flashlight icon. You will notice a new animation when the flashlight turns on. iOS 18 lets you change both the width and the range of the flashlight beam using gestures. Swipe up or down, adjust the brightness. Swipe left or right, changes the beam width. This allows you how to customize the light exactly how you need. You can see like this. Okay, this is one of the coolest feature on iOS 18 and definitely think it's worth trying out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.